it's going to take a little bit to get set up and get going. But then once everyone's good to go, we'll
Perfect.
make our way towards waypoint 8, and then we'll get into transect mode.
Amazing. Thank you guys so much.
Oh, totally.
So the chat says that there are slipper Crocs lined with fleece. I'm going to say I actually have them.
Wow.
Our viewers want to know what athletic clogs are. I don't think there's a camera over there to show you.
I shouldn't put my feet in the camera. That's just crazy. No, I can't do that. Like, morally, that's not right.
I'm trying so hard not to
Isabella, you're on sat 3 right now, just so you know, but not to pressure you.
I can't do that, you guys. The shoes are very fine, but
Just Google them.
Isabella, what
Bedrock
brand are they?
is I am not non-sponsored, but Bedrock if you want to. I put so many people on this pair of shoe. Bedrock clogs, elite shoes, everyone.
I will Google them.
I'm just saying.
And Sierra,
Yes.
they think your trick was like the blanket in the doorway and you feel like a dog.
Kelsey's dog.
I tried to do that and it was an epic failure.
Listen, I had an opportunity. I had a vision. I enacted my vision. What can I say? Isabella, you killed Kelsey. Don't worry about it.
Is someone asking something serious? Hercules is not being recovered or deployed. We have moved it off the bottom and we are moving along with the boat to get to a waypoint position that is better for exploring.
Yes. Otherwise, we would not have gotten there due to the currents and
Right,
where
the
we
currents
were
were-
originally.
Currents, the distance between waypoints, the remaining time that we believe we have on this dive kind of pushed us to decide to come off the bottom and go faster by the vessel changing its heading and essentially kind of dragging Herc a little bit. And we're moving quickly to waypoint 8 here in the next, I think, 20, 30 minutes. We'll be back on bottom, hopefully. 20, 30?
That sounds about right.
Okay. And
So we'll get to it on our watch.
Yes, and we will then get back to the seafloor and going between our waypoints. And we should be coming up on a steeper slope. And between waypoint 8 and waypoint 9 we're gonna come up a couple hundred meters.
Yeah.
So hopefully we'll see some new stuff when we get to the seafloor.
But we'll be in transect mode, which means that if there's something to stop and sample, we'll have to make a note of it because we got to keep moving.
We want to get a 200-meter transect between 8 and 9 to do a ecosystem a survey.
Yes. So making that clear, if people in the comments or chat are like, no, why didn't you stop and sample? We're transect mode.
We can, if it is something that is
We're at
absolutely
290
amazing,
meters.
we can stop. We have the ability.
But
But if it's something that we can come back for or look for another collection elsewhere,
Roger.
we want to keep our transect as uninterrupted as possible.
That's the goal. It's a lot nicer for the people on the other end that are annotating everything in the photo if it's continuous, because then they have to work around that.
That is correct. And I am back.
As someone who annotates transects, I know the feeling of, well, why is it stopping and staring at this thing for so long?
All
Now
right,
I have to
300,
take all
I'll
these
stop
out
on the
of my
winch.
and calculate the new number of photos, and can be problematic.
What do you think? If we turned off the lights, would there be any ambient light from the surface yet?
Where?
We're at 300 meters. Herc's
We're-
at 300.
Herc's at 273.
Where's photic zone end?
Isn't it usually at about
2,200 meters?
200 is
Yeah.
where we usually...
I would just expect it
A
to be
few beams
pretty
on the Doppler.
dark. Oh, shark!
Oh!
Hey!
Oh, it's a white tip.
Oh, look at that.
Hey, look at
Went
that.
too
Blue water,
far.
boring, no way.
We got sharks.
We got a shark.
Not
That's a
with
good-
this watch.
So that's a good sign.
That is a good sign.
That is. If we see sharks this far off the reef,
Yeah.
let's see.
You like sharks. You like sharks.
Well, someone
Sierra
just
Sarah's
asked if
looking
we've
at
seen any
athletic
cool
claws.
mid-water buddies. Yes, we did.
Don't call me
What's
out
that?
like that, Jeff.
Sorry, I see it on your phone.
So people have also been watching us, and they said while we're in the silliness of this, what is your fast food guilty pleasure?
Fast food
Bring it
guilty
back
pleasure.
to food.
Back row?
I gotta think on
We were
that
supposed
one.
to start with the front row, so we had time
Front
to
row, I
think.
mean.
Front row.
Well,
Yeah,
back
front
row.
row.
Yeah, front row's
Fast
doing
food
things.
guilty
Front
pleasure.
row's busy.
We're doing things.
They're doing things.
We're busy.
They're busy. They're the ones still keeping this
It's
vessel
true.
moving.
Yeah.
So I guess back row. Well,
I gotta think.
I say French fries from anywhere, especially Arby's. I'm a French fry girl.
You like a curly fry?
I love curly fries. I love regular fries. French fries are my guilty pleasure.
I define a guilty pleasure as something I don't eat a lot, and I eat a lot of French fries.
Oh, I do too.
Mine is like Taco Bell. Like, I don't eat it a lot because it's like terrible, but I do enjoy it when I have it.
Like, what are you getting?
I get a Crunchwrap Supreme with
my
beans
gosh.
instead of meat.
Okay.
It's really good. If you want to like not have meat, it's really good.
Vegetarian, yeah.
I do Taco Bell when I'm sick. My husband brings home Taco Bell and apple juice.
Comfort food.
Oh.
Yep.
I get soup when I'm sick. I'll go to like get some hot and sour soup, or I'll get some pho. And I'll eat that.
Oh, I love pho.
Pho is really good.
I don't think it's fast food, but I could really go for some ramen.
Ramen.
Yeah.
They ran out of ramen.
They ran out of ramen.
downstairs.
Yeah.
Amanda made an amazing bowl of noodle
Ooh.
that she had brought from home,
Oh.
and then put in a hard-boiled egg,
Ugh,
and
so
I
good.
just walked by it and stopped and was just like, this is amazing. And it smells so good, and it truly did. Just fun fact. I know you guys were curious.
I definitely don't. See,
We have a
ramen
lot
is
of
not a guilty pleasure, though.
Different
I think.
types
It's
of ramen.
Fa-
in
it's not a
Guam.
It is a fast food in Japan, I'd say.
What
Would you
is
say
it?
Ramen is fast food, and I mean,
Oh,
it's
yeah.
It's quick.
Oh yeah.
It's so tasty. I wouldn't even say it's a guilty pleasure. It's just
That's just good.
pleasure.
The amount of types of ramens that we can get in
Yeah.
Guam at the grocery store.
Is it good?
Yeah, and there's such a huge difference. You don't just go get, a random ramen. You get, all different kinds.
Yeah.
You can have udon noodles. You can have regular noodles.
Like a good ramen.
I think Sierra might be the only one that knows this one, but I love Whataburger.
Whataburger.
That is my big one in Tallahassee.
I'm with you. What are you getting?
I don't remember the name. It's like the honey barbecue one.
Yes, the honey barbecue chicken tender sandwich
Yep, yeah, it's that
on
one.
the Texas toast.
Yep.
Yep.
That might be my guilty pleasure. Is that and like one of their like milkshakes and their fries.
Oh gosh. I feel so
never had
bad
that.
afterwards.
Yeah,
it doesn't
that's-
make me feel
That's
good
how you
eating
know it's
it.
guilty pleasure. Is
This
if
is
you
an
don't
East
feel good
Coast-
after.
East
Oh,
Coast
Sarah, you're
place.
back up on the feed too.
I am
Yeah, you
talking
are.
about Whataburger. It's from Texas.
Yes, I know. I lived in Texas. Lots of Whataburgers. People very
We used-
passionate
yeah.
about it. As passionate as the In-N-Out people on the West Coast.
I finally got In-N-Out this year. It
Yeah.
is good. Animal fries. See, we're back with the fries thing.
Yeah,
I
well,
like In-N-Out because you can also get a grilled cheese In-N-Out, so that's good
A
for
grilled
me.
cheese.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Now, Oregon has their own Burgerville, which is very popular.
I can vouch for Burgerville.
You like Burgerville?
It's
I'm surprised no one's mentioned tater tots. I love a tater tot.
Domino's does loaded tater tots in Guam.
Domino's Pizza?
Yeah, Domino's
Oh.
Pizza does loaded tater tots. They have like a Philly cheesesteak kind.
we're just all sorts of marketing right now.
I know.
I'm getting
This
really
is-
hungry, guys. Like, we need to,
We
need
just
to
had
stop.
lunch.
I know, but I'm hungry.
Okay.
We
Little bit
will be
back to-
taking
back to some
ships for
science. What kind of
cookies.
shark was that again?
It looked like an oceanic white tip shark.
Oceanic white
Oceanic.
tips.
They're pelagic sharks, which means they're mostly in the water column.
And that's
Okay,
the one
well,
that we saw off
that
the
tracks
boat
for
the
where
other
we
day.
are.
Right?
Yeah, we saw some at the surface the other day. They were kind of around the boat.
They were small to be oceanic, so they were young.
They're young.
I don't know if they get that big. They're just super fast and they're very like confident sharks, if that makes
Oh, wow.
sense. Like they'll just
Haven't
swim up to nothing and they don't have any sort of care in the world. Like they're super curious. They'll investigate things. Like
What kind of size are we talking about?
shark.
Well,
Ocean
the
shark.
The one that we saw
What-
off the
what's
boat was only like 4 or 5 feet.
4 or 5 feet.
It
What do you
wasn't that
think?
big.
I didn't get a. It was off in the distance on the Herc's camera. That thing looked pretty big. Although not a good judge of size.
It's.
Oh, wow.
I'll use that. Let's see what Noah Fisher says. I'm looking it up.
How do you? What's that?
Oh wow.
What's its name? What's the
Can you put
Scientific
high
name?
tack
scientific
again
name?
on
Yeah.
feed 3?
Carcharinus.
Thank you.
Longimanus.
Longimanus.
Yeah, so Carcharinidae is this family of shark.
It's a fun word to
They're
say.
the ones that have like the one fin and then like another one behind, I think. And so Carcharinidae is the family, and then there's Carcharinus, and then there's certain species.
They're pretty cool.
I didn't realize how different the dorsal fin is on a reef white to an oceanic white.
Yeah, it's very round.
Look at that. What is it? Length up to 11
It can
feet.
be up to 11 feet, though.
Oof.
I don't think that's the average, but they're worldwide.
Yeah, very wide range.
Yeah. See, order. Carchariniformes. Family. Carcharinidae. Genus. Carcharinus.
Now, white-tip reef sharks are actually able to lay down on the bottom.
Oh.
They don't have to be moving all of the time to have water through the gills.
Okay.
So when we're diving, you can always tell the white tips and the black tips by which
They're
ones
just
are laying
stationary,
down.
yeah?
And they just lay down on the ground and find a little
Now,
hole to be in.
when they're laying down, are they holding their breath? Or can they actually take in fluid through their
I
gills?
think they can.
It's like holding their. It's the equivalent of like. Are they just okay to not
They
have?
pump water over their gills using a buccal pumping
Okay.
system.
So they're
This allows them to rest motionless on the bottom while still being able to breathe.
okay. Yeah. So
Seafloor
they have a
spotted.
way of moving the. Which other sharks don't have that.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Cool.
Sure.
Oh, we are
Got some seafloor.
back down to the seafloor. All right, everybody, stop the silliness.
All right, reel it in.
Oh, woohoo!
Going off auto iris, by the way, might be a little bright.
I think
Dark.
the 12 to 4 is good at silliness.
Yes. We keep it light.
Shenanigans ensue.
Based on what we're seeing right now, I'm really glad we picked up and moved.
Yeah.
Yes.
Me too.
That shark was a good sign.
Yes.
Also, just the extreme likelihood that this was the same.
Site
Yeah.
for the entirety.
What do we think? Is that coral or rock, or this is
I think
looking
it's that
different?
I think it's the
It's
same
carbonate,
stuff. Carbonate
yeah.
rock with all those little white streaks as sediment-filled cracks or little divots. Very similar to what we saw back at waypoint 7 and 6.
Great.
So I've been given a history note. Oceanic white tips are thought to be the type of shark responsible for the largest mass shark attack when the USS Indianapolis sank.
Yes. Recounted in the movie Jaws. In a
Yeah, that's the,
pretty
Yes.
the only thing I can think
famous
about
scene.
is the monologue of the USS Indianapolis.
Yeah, that's, well, terrible.
That's like one of my favorite movie scenes ever. Just like the tone shift is just, oh, it's
Can we turn channel 3 back, please? They're asking for it.
What?
No, this seamound is not named.
Unnamed seaman.
Currently, this is the first time it's been explored. And the purpose of this mission is what, Kelsey?
The purpose of
The whole expedition, the whole
No,
dive?
this dive. Sorry, I
Oh,
shouldn't
the
have said.
purpose of this dive is
Yes.
it's the West Mariana Seamount. So
Yeah.
this is an unexplored seamount, and so we are trying to see what is here. We started off around 1,000 meters depth and have been working our way up this unexplored seamount. We are in the back arc, so we're looking at some super old volcanic some super old rock, and
Yeah, what is
now we are going to, we've been doing our normal
200.
video surveys, and we're going to be embarking on a transect pretty soon from waypoint 8 to 9, and doing a survey of the
Roger.
marine benthos, or the bottom habitat.
Thank you.
Yeah, this
I knew you wanted to get the
unexplored
transect in.
seamount. These are really
No
neat.
current?
This the western arc, remnant arc. Far offshore, no islands back here, but very shallow tops to the seamount. And largely, this one, no exploration's been done with video or very little mapping data.
Is that a squatty?
It'll keep you on that straight line.
A what?
A squatty, the one on the bottom
Roger.
left?
It looks like
It's covered
it's
up right here. Either in here.
I'm wondering, so I don't know if this is the kind, it looks like it has not a shell, but
living in something.
there's a kind of crab on the seafloor that sometimes instead of shells, they'll have sea anemones on their back.
Oh, cool.
And they have a cool little symbiotic relationship where they give the sea anemone a home, and they have protection from the sea anemone, and also since they're moving, the sea anemone gets more food.
They are pretty cool to see.
That's awesome.
So
Yeah,
is it
one.
kind of
It's one of these.
similar to a hermit crab?
Yes, it's similar, but instead of a shell, it'll have like some kind of cnidarian on the back of it.
Amazing.
They're called a Parapagurus species.
And they only do this type of symbiosis, or do they have a shell?
They can sometimes have shells.
Okay.
Sometimes they'll have like multiple anemone or just like one.
Wow.
I like the crabs that have it on their hands.
Oh.
I've seen those before.
Yeah, there's some cool crabs out there.
So, Jeff,
Yeah.
do you think that these used to be islands or atolls?
Yes, I think they were islands. I don't know this spot here. We're pretty deep, 340 meters, but the top was definitely an island. We saw water depths in 100 meters and shallower. What looked like old shorelines or wave-cut shoreline. So when sea level was lower 20,000 years ago, this was a flat-topped island.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
What are you getting?
You'll get on the coast, like in California and Washington, Oregon, you'll get places where you get marine terraces, which are old sea level states that will cut into the bedrock or cut into the coast and create a little platform. And then if sea level rises, it'll start preserving it. Or if it sea level falls, it'll become subaerial and start getting, eroded by wind and rain.
Oh, okay.
But you'll have these marine terraces that are records of where sea level was in the past. And then if you add tectonic uplift through a fault or through some process, it can lift the marine terrace out of the water and then preserve it. So they've been used to calculate uplift rates on the coast from faults and tectonic activity. Because you can date, typically you can date the shells or the fossils that are in the marine terrace. So I think some of these atolls have pretty clear water depth steps that are likely old sea level stands.
Do we know what kind of fish that was?
I just
Nope.
want to clarify that we're starting the transect at waypoint 8, or have we already begun transect?
It'll be at 8, I think.
So the transect recording where we don't want to change any parameters and go at 0.2 knots was waypoint 8 to waypoint 9 is 200 meters, I think, if you measure it out. You can double
Yes,
check.
that's correct.
That's what we'll do for our proper 200 meter transect.
Okay.
But if we want to get on, you know, everything situated and make sure we're ready to go, this is kind of our run-in line.
That's
here.
exactly what we're doing.
Thank you, sir.
Do you, any specific camera settings or altitude settings? This is my best stab at what I found it before, but this is 3 meters altitude, camera's tilted down, but let me know if you want any changes and we'll put them in now.
Roughly 1.5 meters altitude, if possible.
But 1.5 is going to be, we're on a slope, so I'll show you what it looks like.
Okay.
But it's going to be very close because that altitude reading is from the back of the vehicle, right?
Oh,
So we got our butt up.
Yeah,
So
okay.
see how tight you are now? That's 2
Oh,
meters.
wow.
Okay, let's stick with 3 then.
That's 3 meters altitude from the back, so you can think of like the tilt angle down.
Yeah.
We're not really 3 meters
'Cause
up
the
with a camera.
The altimeter's at the tail end, I
Yeah.
just remembered that. All right, then we'll stick with your 3 meter reading.
Or like
and-
even 2.5 looks reasonable.
Okay, I trust you on that.
Okay.
Your best judgment,
And then
And-
2.2 knots.
0.2 knots.
With
Yeah,
this-
we've got the
with-
ship moving 0.2, so we're halfway, almost halfway to the waypoint from where we started, so we'll just run right by it and call out the start.
All right,
Awesome.
thank you.
Sounds
And
good. Thank you.
We'll log it, and
That we will.
man, hopefully we see
Something.
something here. This is quick. It'll be a fast annotation.
Yeah.
Unfortunately,
It's okay, everything starts at waypoint 8.
a lot of seafloor is
Waypoint.
pretty flat, and actually is more sand and sediment than hard. It's a lot of, you know, the abyssal
The
plains
auto
area is
altitude.
a lot of sediment,
Yep.
Z.
and that makes up a lot of the world's ocean. So, oh look, there's something purple.
Where?
On
A
the far right.
cookie.
I missed it.
So when you step there,
can see
the little
adjusting
cookie.
Hints of yellow
Yeah.
in there.
Yeah, yeah, the yellow
But
is
it-
interesting.
What are those yellow
What are these yellow?
cues?
That's
I
a
don't
good
know.
question.
Don't know.
How are we looking?
And then once we start the transect, we'll have our amazing data logger do the 30-second intervals. Hopefully that works, and then we'll also capture the HD video too.
Okay.
Whee!
Sarah, do you think the yellow stuff could be
It'll be really
crustoscoraline
gently
algae?
coming up on the winch every so often, but overall I'm going to keep our delta pretty
I
low.
wouldn't think
Yeah.
so
Roger.
from this. I mean, we are shallower, right? But there doesn't seem a whole
I'm out of
lot
fairways
for
in
it
front
to
of you. I'll
grow
try and let you catch
onto.
up here
It's very
before we get
flat
started.
here, and there's not a
Alrighty.
whole lot of ridges and
Thanks.
stuff. I'm wondering if it's just the color of the sediment or the rocks.
Less than 90
Since
meters
I'm
from
downhill
waypoint 8.
from you,
I
I've
can't
got
say
plenty
for
of
sure, though.
altitude.
Yeah, you can see Herc on the sonar.
Yeah, I don't know what the little yellow patches are.
The other thing we'll be able to use these data for our photogrammetry.
Oh, right.
The West Mariana Ridge. Or arc, West Mariana arc.
Especially with the HD video, so that'll be great.
Mm-hmm.
It'll be great to model some of this and to be able to describe.
Yeah,
These
these unnamed
seamounts.
areas.
Yeah.
Michael, can I do a zoom really quickly to test?
Yeah, go ahead.
If you're zoom in on some of that yellow stuff.
Oh, yeah, there we go.
Nice.
Huh.
Yeah, it just looks like part of the rock.
Uh-huh.
It's a little,
Coming out.
Roger.
Weird.
yeah.
Was that a spider?
Sea star over there, yeah.
There's something jumping around.
Ooh.
If it were a spider, Brianna would already be in here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is true.
Very true.
Spidey senses.
Does anyone know if the spiders can jump?
That-
Underwater? I have no idea.
It
If that
definitely
was
moving
one.
kind of fast when we were
It was a moving.
grabbing it.
Was it your watch that got the spider?
Yes.
Yes.
Nice. Strong work, team.
Oh,
It was Michael on the grab.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
we did that with authority.
It was a good team effort too, because there was some consultation. We talked about it. We initially thought scoop. We actually went to the chat. We had some wisdom from the chat,
from both chats.
from both chats about using the manipulator. It was good.
And we learned that we shouldn't open up the box.
And don't know, well,
Don't open up the box
Listen.
once it's in there.
Yeah.
It was, even though
Exactly.
I know we have the lasers, it still looked, came up so much bigger than I thought it would.
Great.
I still haven't seen it. How big was it?
Brianna was saying 20 centimeters from leg to leg.
centimeters.
My
Yeah.
goodness.
it's all legs.
Yeah.
It is all leg.
Could be a model.
Scary no matter what it is.
Oh, we got something
go.
on the left? Question mark.
On the left?
It looked like one of the. I don't know. I don't want to speak too soon.
I didn't see nothing. Sorry.
Where are the,
We're getting there.
I feel like if we played like some music during the transect, you know.
Quiet hour.
Yeah.
I know one thing I found about transects that's useful,
Would
especially
now be a
for
good time for gauges?
people
Yeah, go
that
ahead.
live stream it, is if I'm going through it and I have second thoughts on what an identification could be, it's nice to go back into footage when people are there and talking about it, because then I get more ideas and more input for later.
Yeah.
It's good to have telepresence.
that keyword telepresence
Telepresence, if you will.
that we have.
Maybe life at one point.
At one point in time.
Yeah.
Something coming out of the ground there.
Yeah.
Where?
That looks like a stalk,
Yeah.
some kind of dead stalk.
Yeah.
Could be for a sponge.
If you had to take a stab at the factors that, in this case, are restricting lots of growth or lots of corals, or what do you think in this? Is it
Nutrients.
nutrients. It's just lack of nutrients. It's such blue water, away from low productivity, and yeah.
Yeah. The Pacific is not very productive in kind of the middle reaches.
Yeah, outside the equatorial.
Yeah,
From
exactly.
the
Yeah.
current systems and the
Yeah.
global conveyor belt.
Yep.
Yeah, you
Makes
gotta
for
look-
very clear water.
It makes for very clear but not very productive water.
Sierra, are you familiar with rhodoliths?
Rhodoliths? And I'd have
People
to-
keep saying them, but literally the question is, are you familiar with them?
Am I familiar with them? I remember
She can
the
be quite
name.
quickly.
Yes, I know.
Oh. They're a type of, oh, these are also a type of crustoids algae.
They're talking about the purple blotches. Is that what they're
could be rhodoliths?
referring to?
They could. They grow on hard substrate, and they are more purple in color. I'm looking at them. These say they roll like tumbleweeds along the seafloor.
That would be cool to see.
Kansas seafloor.
Kansas seafloor. We were missing the tumbleweeds.
Yeah, or the rhodolids apparently.
Yeah, where are they?
Yeah.
I just need some like Western music to play in the background.
Well, we all know what we go to for a Western.
Yeah.
If only we had a close-up of some animal, we could do it like the close-up the face shot. Classic from those movies.
Just do like a pan, 2 different fishes.
I mean, 12 to 4, it is high noon.
It is high noon.
Well, it's not high noon anymore, but...
It's high noon somewhere. Okay.
That's right.
Oh, life. Maybe.
Urchin? Question mark?
Yeah, there's an urchin there.
Oh, there it is.
All right.
Good
Now
spot.
we're talking.
Oh, we can't stop to zoom in, can we?
No zoom.
No
We're
zoom.
setting
But it
up
caught
for a
it.
transect.
Yeah. Well, we're not
Oh,
fully
we're
on
about
Oh, what's the
transect
yellow
yet.
thing?
Yeah.
I don't
I
know.
don't know what that was. Bill. Well, hello,
Bill
sir.
is here in the room.
We
Backseat
have an
driving.
interloper among us.
Yeah, some more urchins. Look at that.
Another urchin. All right. This is interesting.
We're
Good
getting there.
signs. Have we started the transect? No, we're 30 meters from Herc passing waypoint 8. Okay. I'll make a call out when Herc is on waypoint 8. Thank you. You're welcome.
Some more urchins. There's like 2 of them.
Are those urchins too?
Yes.
Yeah.
Never seen a red one.
This just in, folks.
Is it your shift or Verona's?
Verena's.
Nav and ROV pilot and Atalanta pilot. This line is looking splendid.
Beautiful.
Splendid, right?
Yeah.
Oh, so do we...
Michael's a master.
Some
Yeah.
more urchin. Tell the good folks.
Let us know when we hit waypoint 8,
I'll make a
and we
call
will
out.
do the logging for start of transect with all the relevant pieces of info.
Okay, lovely. We're about 20 meters out.
Amazing.
Roger.
I love that we're starting to see signs of life.
Life.
And
Life.
just to let the people online know, when we're doing the transects, we will not be stopping or zooming in on anything. We will be staying slow and steady on a direct course.
Yes. But only for 200 meters, which will be 20-ish minutes.
Yeah. That won't be too bad.
And if it's something that's like really cool, of
Yeah,
course.
we'll stop.
Yeah.
We can zoom in
Oh, it
together.
takes 20 minutes? I thought it was less.
It just depends on how
If
much
they
current
if
we
they
have
maintain
going
the
against
Gotcha.
us.
if they
Yeah.
maintain the 0.2 knots, which I think they're going to be able to, should take about 20.
There's plenty of urchins.
Yeah, someone
20
said
minutes.
it
23.
should... Urchin Oasis.
Ooh,
Oasis.
Urchin Oasis.
Just don't step on them.
No, they hurt.
First, we didn't see any urchins before, did we?
Look, there's more. Whoa.
Are
And a
there
sea star.
something...
Sea star.
How can you tell that was a sea star?
'Cause I can tell. I got the
You got the young eyes.
Is that an asteroid?
astro idea.
There seems to be lots of different kinds of urchins.
Ooh.
Is Herc the square?
Fish.
That's
Oh,
a pretty
fishy.
fish.
All right.
What kind
Now
of
we're
fish?
talking.
Woo.
Is it going
Is
into
he hiding in
Yeah,
that
it's this
hole?
little hidey hole.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Hidey hole. All right.
I don't even want to show us his face.
No,
No,
but we
he's
can't, and we
camera
couldn't zoom in.
shy.
Can't zoom in.
I know we wanted to.
Camera shy.
I think it was
Can we get a
identifiable
reset,
though
please?
from the back
Just
end.
from the back.
Yeah, maybe.
I do think it was a type of snapper.
Snapper.
Ooh, tasty.
Thank you.
Yes. All right. Herc is at waypoint 8.
All right, start transect number 3.
Yes.
Yes.
Transect 3,
Get our replicate
Waypoint.
in.
8 to 9, 200 metres.
We're cooking. They're gonna get all these urchins.
Marin, sorry. What is the segment number?
We're starting at 40.
Okay.
Seems like there's different species of urchins down here.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and look up. There's maybe a sea star right there too.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
All our, oh, look, they keep multiplying.
Excellent.
How many
Good.
urchins? Do we need someone in our chat to start
I'm gonna
counting
use
for us?
the
So many.
So
urchin
many.
plus plus.
Urchin.
Oh.
We know that story now.
Yeah.
So that's a very cute story.
Look at them all.
Urchin plus plus.
Depth?
Someone's been paying attention. They said, imagine a giraffe shows up and we can't stop to look at it.
Oh, no.
Right, yeah.
True.
I will remind you, we could stop if there was a giraffe.
Yeah.
If there was a giraffe, we'd
I
be
think
stopping.
that would warrant
Chelsea would be okay with stopping for giraffes.
I would. What's our depth?
287.
287. Excellent, thank you.
I'm trying to find what species of urchin these are.
They look like they have white
White
circles on the inside
Yeah.
or something.
It could be
Here,
little
we can
things
do this.
sticking out of the
Maybe like,
ground.
histosidereal. Well, does that show
But-
up on the transect?
No.
People do that?
I don't think it'll get, does that get recorded?
No.
I think it doesn't.
As you mess up the transect and we have to start
No,
again.
we don't. I
No,
won't do
we're,
any freeze point with the telestrator.
So
Someone
we're-
said they've seen 37 urchins.
Ooh.
That was the number.
Keep counting.
One of the
Keep
great,
urchin plus plus.
yeah, one of the great parts of using a transect like this is we can actually sit there and count the urchins and then extrapolate, you know,
Ooh. Yeah.
numbers.
Biomass of urchins.
For this one particular area, it'd be very
Yes.
limited because we only have this one
How
sample point.
shallow
start.
is waypoint 9?
Give me one
I think
moment.
it's 200, maybe?
Oh,
It
I
is
could-
188.
188. Thank you. Someone wanted to know.
So these might be in the family Histosidereidae or Histosideris urchins.
Oh,
They got the white little
very cool.
spikes
They are
in
neat
the
looking.
red center.
I noticed some weird little stick-looking things poking up out of the sediment. Does anybody know what those are?
Some sticks. I haven't seen them, but if
Oh,
you see them
fish.
again, point them out.
Fish in the hole.
He's hiding in his little carbonate home.
Mhm.
There's one. Kind of next to that
Right
urchin.
here. Oh,
Oh.
nabbed it.
What is it?
Here, use the
Yeah,
draw.
kind of there.
It looks like is there stuff coming off of it?
There's a few of them. There's another one up ahead.
Oh. I don't know. It might just be stalks of something. I don't see any tissue on it, so I'm hesitant to give it an idea.
If only we could zoom in. There will be more of those. Oh, look at that fish. Is that a snapper?
Oh.
No, let's find out who you are.
Who are you? And are you
And he's
tasty?
gone.
I wonder why they're like all attracted to the holes in the sediment.
Yeah.
It's just a little place to hide, maybe.
Probably their one sense of protection if we're not seeing any other.
I like the
They need-
coloring on
they
that,
need
how it's kind of
shelter.
striped.
It was very pretty. Oh, did it look like this?
Jeff, you're such a pot stirrer.
I know.
Did it look like this?
I'm just I'm letting everyone know
Interloper
that we
has
can't zoom
returned.
in.
Well, we got two more.
Yeah, did you see all the fish?
Yeah.
tell. Does this look like the fish tail?
We will run out our
Stripes, but it looked orange-ish.
If this was, if we were coming up at 4, we have to come off bottom 30, 40.
Yeah, we're not at 300 anymore. We're at 100. Oops.
Thank you.
Tell me when to come off bottom. Yes. We'll just continue and then whatever.
The fish with the yellow bars, Sean just chimed in, it's a gindai. And I'm pulling up the poster.
You said gindai?
Yeah, G-E-N-D-A-I.
Ooh.
Pristopomoides zonatus.
What did I think it was?
So for some reason, everyone online thinks that as we go up, it's going to become a neon day glow wonderland.
Oh.
Those
Let's
are
hope
the
so.
buzzwords that they keep saying.
I need a definition on that.
I am unsure why, but
I'm imagining a Lisa Frank poster.
yeah, like
When I heard it, I had to see that and go, oh,
yeah.
So we're gonna go to the club? Like, what?
Yeah, that's, I don't know. It has been a constant theme in here for about 20 minutes, so I figured I'd finally give it a shout out.
Yes, I agree. I think that will happen.
Give the people
That would be
what
very
they
nice
want.
and very pretty.
You said the fish was Pristopomoides?
Pristopomoides zonatus, a gindai.
I got it.
G-E-N-D-A-I. Now I have the food fishes poster up. Good spot, Sean. Thank you very much.
That's its common name?
Yeah, I'm sorry, G-I-N-D-A-I.
Okay, cool.
The sediment almost looks like it's sort of a crust.
Yeah, it's like yellowy and purpley.
And someone says those hidey holes are fortresses, safe rooms, and snack pantries.
Snack pantry.
This might be true.
Urchin.
What's really cool about this Food Fishes of the Mariana Islands poster is that if you just Google food fishes, oceanic, and then DLNR, it has all of also the names in English, it's scientific, of course, and then Chamorro, Japanese, South Carolinian, North Carolinian, Tagalog, and Palauan.
Oh, very
So
cool.
it's nice that it has
That's
such
very
a,
diverse.
yeah. It's pretty hard to find that kind of.
Just trying to get a little view of that tether.
Yeah.
Yeah, diversity.
Yes, exactly. Love that it's inclusive of all of the other names.
They want it to look like a mall food court and pinks, yellows, and greens from the 1980s.
Oh,
yeah. Yeah, I'm just imagining a Lisa Frank poster is what I'm imagining. That's
It's going to
fair.
be great. I'm excited.
Nav, is that a Herc's shadow there on the sonar?
Oh, another Gindai.
Ooh, yeah.
I got two.
We do have
The little
Herc,
dot is Herc, but you're also
but
on
you're
the
also
20.
getting the slope.
So pretty.
I mean that sort of schmear kind of coming up
Oh.
behind Herc there.
Oh, the straight line running out? Yes,
like-
that's from Herc, yeah.
Okay. Just double checking.
There
That's
might
a good
be
question.
a snapper in that little hidey hole too.
Yeah.
I saw some red.
I saw it too.
They're besties, okay?
I feel like we're starting to see some signs of life.
I'm liking it. Of course, we're going to find the signs of life at, 3:59.
Unfortunately.
If we keep saying it enough, then it'll happen.
Okay.
Hey, I said
Signs of
yesterday
life.
I
Signs
really
of
want
life.
some reefs, and they were reefs, so
Say it again, Sierra.
we want life. We want
Let there be
more
life.
reef, more reef. Extend that dive.
We're at 257 meters, And we actually have warmer water. It's 18 degrees Celsius.
Ooh.
And yes, I am very well aware that oxygen saturation isn't working. It hasn't been working properly this expedition.
First expedition of the season issue. You know, we gotta working out all the bugs, getting things fixed as we find the problems. I hear they got the temperature probe out on the table. Working on it.
No major samples on this dive, so you'll actually get a little bit of time to rest.
Oh, thank goodness.
But there'll be plenty of corals to process. And we got our little sea cookie friend and a little crab and a rock.
Don't say it like that. And a rock.
And a rock. I'm just saying what it is.
Equal enthusiasm for biology and
It's our
geology.
little rock. It's our little rock friend.
Oh my gosh, I love rocks so much.
Don't patronize me.
No, it sounds sarcastic. That's the problem. Now I don't sound genuine.
There is no doubt that Jacob is taking time to sleep right now.
Yes, good.
It's like, I don't need anything from here.
Unless there was lava rock, that'd be great.
If there was lava rock.
Although I think we have found that there is a very thick carbonate cap on this seamount.
Video, do you want to get a zoom on
traversing up slope for a long time
They're
with
surrounding
all
the top of it,
carbonate.
They're moving with us.
Oh.
Are you guys aware of how expensive it is going to be to ship those rocks? Whoa.
So hello.
Jacob can take him as a carry-on.
Jacob can take him as a carry-on.
There you go. You can try again now.
Thank you.
No problem.
Sorry, I'm trying to do the iris as well.
Yes, there is rocks.
I have friends that work in the Galapagos, and when they have to ship, they drill for coral samples, and they have each like buckets and buckets and buckets that they have to like go through the airport with and check.
Yep.
Do you think the fish are doing a similar thing to the ahi dive that are just using the light? Or do we have enough light here already?
Guys, they're
there we
hanging out
go.
with us.
Yeah, I think that they're probably curious about it for sure. I'm not.
Some great views from Atalanta.
Yeah.
Ooh, we got the shadows.
The shadows are kind of scary.
You can see a lot of them on Sat 3 on the bubble cam. Oh, and on Sat 1. Hello.
Photo bomb.
What is that?
They get like nervous.
I don't know what kind of fish that is. It's got like a cool looking stripe on the front of it though.
Oh yeah.
Hello.
Amberjacks.
You think it tracks?
Is Sean gonna
Yeah.
chime in here?
Amberjack, let me see. Let me see if Sean confirms.
This is going to be great transect footage.
Amberjacks!
Yeah, they're blocking the whole thing. Excuse me.
We're trying
Down
to
in
stay in a
front.
straight line here, okay?
He's giving us something to look at.
Yeah, but when you're doing transects, you only really need to count things once because you don't want to duplicate. So someone's going to have to keep track.
It's like the that scene from Twister
Yeah.
with cow, another cow. I think that's the same cow.
Oh, yeah.
Check this out.
That's pretty awesome.
Dude, move out of the lasers.
Now, I actually think that these were the fish that we were seeing behind the boat that one night.
Been following us?
You know, well, not these exact two, but this species.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We had lots of squid off the boat the
We
other
got a little
night.
guy too.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
How big
they
were those
said
squid?
the other day.
Did you get a sense?
I don't know.
Were
They got
little?
a couple of them. They were
Yeah.
decent size.
These exact two, they're following us.
Yes, they're following.
The entire
Oh,
way.
Jeff.
You
All
think we
right.
could come closer on Adelcam? Yep. Little challenge there.
These little pockets seem filled with
Ooh.
coarser material,
Yeah.
Some more rubble.
like little piles.
Now we got a little bit of reddish going on away from that greenish.
Yeah.
I feel like piles of rubble are good because it means that there was something there to
dig it in or like disturb it.
Yeah, or even there to create the pile of rubble to begin with.
We're halfway through our transect.
Yes.
We're
Great
doing
work,
great,
guys.
team. Great team.
You are all doing phenomenal.
Aww.
I can already kind of visualize this transect with having pockets of higher
Oh my gosh.
biodiversity and then these like lower spots.
These fish.
This fish is a fan of 12 to 4.
Oh yeah.
Just wants to stick around with us.
Can we zoom out?
More urchins.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Starting to stretch a little bit.
Yeah. Can you scroll this?
Dude's just swimming with us.
Must be the lights.
It feels like the current might have picked up a little bit.
Yeah, maybe just a tad.
Just because it feels like we are not going as fast as we were.
Yeah. We've taken about 15 minutes to move 100 meters.
15 minutes for 100
Still
meters.
That's
pretty good, yeah.
What is that?
I can't see it very well.
Yeah, it's
There's
tough to see.
234.
It's purple.
Okay.
Well, I don't know. It looks like it's like kind of embedded into the little crevice there.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, it's just a fish. Just our fish friends. I saw the shadow. I thought it was bigger than what
It makes
was.
it look like a giant.
It's just like...
Got a different one.
Yeah, there's a different one there on the bottom.
Like an orange tail kind of.
What are these two doing?
Oh,
deploy the windshield
bumped into
wipers.
the gauges.
Wipe them away.
There's two more. I don't know those guys.
These
Maybe
fish
some
are going
type
to try
of
and pull a
lizard
Niskin.
fish. Yeah.
Someone said the amberjack is practicing to be a social media influencer.
Oh. It's hogging the screen.
It is hogging the screen.
Delta about 6, Alta about 18.
Roger.
And I'm going to turn down the iris just a little bit. Yeah, that sounds good. Got a good view of the tether here right now. So, thank you. Thank you.
Another little fish skirting by.
Just a little one.
Just a little fella. Little friend.
Gonna come up a little bit.
Roger.
Jeff, what are you thinking?
Thinking we're halfway done with the transect.
Yeah. And beyond.
Oh, well, we'll keep going until we're told to come off bottom.
Okay.
I think that's the plan.
Roger.
And we're so close to the seafloor, you know, it's so shallow that it's a quick decision to get to recover.
Okay. Ooh.
I like that fish.
Very pretty. Okay.
Oh, hello.
Let me go to my reef fishes. Definitely a small one.
I just really appreciate all these fish being such cute colors.
Looks kind of like a fusilier. Fusellar damsel, maybe. Lepidozygous. See if that gives you anything, Sierra.
Oh, Lepido. How you spell that?
Lepidozygous.
Alright, let me look.
And then we can try a species, but I doubt it's correct. Tapeinossoma. Oh, hello.
That's our influencer.
That is our influencer.
I don't know.
What do you think?
I feel like the body was more pink and the tail was yellow, but I don't know, this one maybe.
It might be, because there's a couple in the Lepidozygous genus that look more akin to it.
Yeah.
There's a lot of things that are like angled on the floor. I'm not sure if I'm seeing that.
Angled?
It looks like they're sticking out and they're angled upslope.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah. And it looks like we're about to maybe encounter a little bit of an elevation change.
If this fish would move.
Yeah.
Sierra, do you think the rubble piles could be collapsed coral colonies from when the seamount was closer to the water's surface?
Yeah, so sometimes carbonate will be composed of different kinds of reforming coral that just over time get packed with sediment and become their own kind of substrate. So yeah, I could see that, especially the shallower. Oh my gosh, this dude.
You know, he needs to bring us friends. Or maybe he's just taking us to the coral.
Yeah, it's
True,
our guide.
He's our tour guide.
Yeah, he's our guide.
Like this way.
He's kind of like our pilot fish.
I was wondering with these depressions that have what look like coarser material in it, maybe you could imagine if you had a fish that was hiding or hanging out at that spot, it would kick up all the fine sediment, and the fine sediment that would float away, but the heavier, larger sand and gravel would stay. So maybe you have something where you're like reworking the sediment and just leaving the more gravelly stuff. We haven't zoomed in on it to see if maybe it's shells or what are they're kind of interesting looking. I don't know.
You're not allowed to say that. We're not allowed to zoom in.
Oh yeah, that's right. If people were wondering why we weren't zooming in, we're on a transect right now with constant zoom. We're trying to keep a constant speed, but that's not as important as the zoom angle. So we're looking at the same amount of seafloor in the view, over 200 meters, to do some species, population density, you know, where are the animals.
Yeah, it'll be pretty easy.
Yes, this one's a...
Well, we had the urchins at the beginning.
Yeah,
Yeah, that was
good.
I think there's definitely been the pockets of stretches where it was very, well, increasingly more abundant, and then back to some low diversity. And then there's just this fish.
I'm excited to get to waypoint 9 because I feel like we're gonna hit. I said I'm excited to get to waypoint 9 because I feel like that maybe that change in elevation.
Yeah.
How big is that elevation change?
If you look at HYPACK, these contour lines are 50-meter marks, and waypoint 8 was at 300, and waypoint 9 is at 188. But you're gonna see like the contour starts picking up after waypoint 8.
Yeah.
After waypoint 9, the elevation is gonna pick up, I think, quite a bit more. Because waypoint 10 is at 105.
Where it's a pretty steep face at the top.
Like a shelf.
Yeah.
Or a bit like that. But waypoint 10 is at 105 elevation. 105 depth.
We're almost there.
It's just around the corner. That's what they say.
Looks like we're about 3/4 of the way there. How's my eyeballing, Isabella?
Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah.
Ooh. I can't hear you. Now I can hear you, but I'm...
Oh, I wasn't on SBL.
Okay. Oh, what's that? What's that?
Yeah, it was brilliant. Yeah. We were right at 0 meters when you guessed.
That might be a coral.
You were perfect. Literally perfect.
Thanks.
Mm-hmm.
I need to hear nice things.
Got a little coral friend.
Woo! Sorry, that was loud.
Don't contain your excitement, Kelsey.
It's like a yellow coral.
I still feel bad about when I squealed and there's a stingray.
Now more than one person has asked, we need to name our friend.
The fish
It wants
friend?
to be friends with us.
Fish?
I don't know if it wants to be friends with us or Herc.
What's the movie where it's fish are friends?
That's
not
Nemo.
I know.
You know, we should have watched
Not
Nemo
food.
last night. No one was on watch.
That's true.
I was getting some good Z's in.
I Z'd out.
Me too.
I was really tired.
I think I sleep better on this boat than I do at home.
Well,
Rocks you to sleep.
Maybe a
Does.
couple coral.
And we have weird hours of work.
Yeah.
Oh,
What are these?
It looks like there's some interesting things up ahead from the Atalanta view as well.
Ooh, yeah.
Coral. These are pink. And there's like one little stalk right there.
Mm-hmm.
there's something. It's a whip, isn't it?
That's
Yeah.
a stickopathes. It's a type of black coral.
Do you think we'll have to come back and get it?
We might.
Okay.
That was a requested collection.
A stick one?
Stickopathes.
There's a little
Sea
fishy.
stars.
And some sea stars, yeah.
There's a gorgonia.
Oh, there's some sea stars.
Okay. All right.
It's happening.
It's happening.
It's happening.
There's life.
Things to count.
Things to count.
Yeah.
Oh, you can see the slopes increasing there on the sonar.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Going up.
Everyone's excited.
It's like a big reveal I've been anticipating,
But
but I'll bring it down. Keep it real.
hopes high, expectations low.
Yes.
Yep.
Yeah.
There's some more fan.
Oh, we're getting more
urchins.
stars and urchins.
Yeah.
Oh, these are some, that looks like reef coral down there.
That's what I was going to ask. What is
Sure
that?
does.
I think we may be experiencing a transition.
Mission accomplished.
Oh, my God.
To capture the transition zone.
Nice. Yeah, these are the swirly whirlies that I was thinking of.
And that transect line is so smooth. Thank you,
Gorgeous.
ROV
There's another one on the
pilots
left.
and nav. We've got some more.
Aw. Thanks for the
Hey,
hype.
Hey.
kudos to our fearless expedition leader for drawing this one, too.
Yeah.
He put it in a good spot.
He did it at like
Fearless
2 in the
expedition
morning.
leader.
At 2 in the
At
morning.
2 in
Yeah,
the morning.
Seriously.
it was
Yeah.
a fast-paced 2 a.m.
Mhm.
Yeah. Thank you,
was
Fearless
up when I
Expedition
was
leader.
getting up
Thank
for
you,
shift
nav
to
team.
shores.
Putting it back together, yeah.
What a hype.
Thank you,
woman.
Jeff.
Thank you, science team.
I was
They're so
totally
pretty.
bugging you about those jars last night.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, HD video, because I know that there's a toggle that you have to hold down the entire time.
Yeah.
What?
The true hero.
Yeah.
So we're not listening to screeching.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that.
We're almost there. Almost there.
And it's
Look at
getting
those.
interesting.
Are those stony coral?
Yeah, so the orange ones are your reef-forming coral. Trying to think what species those could be. They're very bright.
They are very bright. I'm also trying to think about what species they could be. And very soon we will be able to zoom.
Yeah, I'll need to zoom in on those.
All I want to do is a zoom zoom.
Yeah. All right.
The bright yellow ones might be Inelopsamia rostrata.
Just coming
I
up
would
because
have to
there's a
look
little
at
bit of
their
a hill
porites.
happening there.
Yep, come up.
Or
Gotcha.
Dendrophila. I would really like to see some purple reef-forming coral. Those are really pretty. Putting it out there.
Putting the vibes out.
Vibes out for purple coral. Oh yeah, look at all these guys.
Yeah. Awesome.
How steep is the seafloor right now?
It's getting pretty steep, so
Yeah.
that's why I'm moving a bit faster here.
Yeah,
Perfect.
that's fine.
Yeah.
Can I get an eye on the winch for a second?
We've gone from a gentle stroll
eye on
up
the
a nice
winch?
slope to rock
Just
climbing.
down on that
Yeah.
end there, it's a little bit spacey.
Yeah, I see that. Yeah, it's okay.
All right, thank you.
That's a fantastic analogy, Jeff.
Yeah.
We've gone down I-70 heading west. We've
Soccer
gone
is
through
waiting
the
for
flats of
students.
Kansas, and we are, the Rockies are in sight.
Okay, don't forget, East Colorado is just West Kansas.
Yeah. Okay, we're going through East Colorado.
Yeah, and then the mountains have come out of the sky.
I think I saw an interesting Echinodermata as well.
Ooh.
Okay. We're starting to see some
can we
CCA as
get a
well, which is
reset?
fantastic. That's a good
Yeah,
sign.
some
What
crystals.
is CCA?
Crustose coralline algae. It is an integral component to reef building structure.
Yeah.
Thank
It has been slowly in the chat every so often.
Yeah.
I wasn't exactly sure what it was. Thank you.
And what does it look like?
Those red patches.
Yeah,
Oh.
they're darker. Now I am seeing these little pink, which those could be anthomastus,
Okay.
but there's a bunch of other fan-like ones too, so we'd have to see if they're hard or soft.
Yeah, it's all you on the soft corals.
Now there's this guy, look at him.
Yeah.
So we're
What is that perfect circle thing?
approaching the end
Oh.
of the transect.
Sea star?
Yes.
Little
It
bit
looks like
more?
a washer.
Herc's
And then
got
should we,
5 meters.
Sierra,
look
should
at
we,
that.
To the
should we
finish
go back
line.
and get some of those coral? Or
The
have we seen any of the same
Ooh.
species on this?
Yeah, maybe. I think the Stichopathes are pretty well represented, but
Okay.
they are
It's getting
black
steep.
corals, so we
Yeah.
haven't seen too many.
I've got an eye
You
on
know.
it.
Might be worth
Yeah,
Make
you know.
Well, give it a
Oh,
thought,
thank
and
you. Been
we're
trying
not
to
that
keep it
far
in the
away if
20
we
there.
wanted to go back
You're
to
killing it.
before the shear face
Oh, thanks.
and pick them up,
So
or
sweet of you.
We want to go
We
up.
might see more
Keep going.
All right.
if we see more.
is that the
view
end of the
it
transect?
in the Atalanta cam is really.
Oh, we're so close.
Oh.
I'm
We're
really
coming
curious
in on the
about
finish
those.
line.
Woo! Well done, team. Round of applause. Really soft round of applause.
Snaps.
Oh, I was gonna do fingers.
Snap, snap,
Finger?
snap, snap,
Okay,
snap, snap.
snaps.
Oh,
That's
is that
what the
a?
kids do.
What's on the
That's
right?
the young people. Who claps anymore when you can
Oh,
snap?
What? Who claps anymore?
It's all
Oh,
snaps.
there's a eel going back in his little hidey hole, in its little hidey
Yes,
hole.
Whoa, okay,
I
let's
think.
stop
Okay, now
the-
we can stop.
Okay,
It's at the
we
end
can
of it,
finish
right?
the transect
Have we
and
finished
stop
it?
and
Position?
go look at that.
All right, I'm gonna
Whole
come
position,
up.
but we're not, I'll get a look quick, but we're gonna have to move because we're gonna swing in.
Oh, okay. Well, do what you can. If you have to move, you have to move.
I don't-
That eel was pretty
Right
cool
there.
looking.
I
We
don't
did
know if
finish,
it's an eel or a fish. It looks like an eel to me, but we need to go in a little
and
bit more.
if
Can
we
do.
marked on
Hey,
the
zoom in.
data on sea log that we
Got it.
finished the transect.
Awesome. Nice.
Oh.
Is it an eel?
Look at
Yeah,
all the
and
fish
this is
around
actually
him.
looks like it might be a cleaning station. I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
We'll see.
Yo.
What a way to end.
There's
Do
some
we
sort
need
of-
the sequence
gone.
numbers for video?
Yes, please.
It is 40, 41, and 42.
Okay.
Thank you,
That
Jeff.
is pretty cool.
There's little corals right here.
40, 41, and 42.
Oh, look at
What time do
Gonna
we end?
Continue to pull up.
Do we have any more zoom?
Zoom
available?
right in there.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Is that an upside down jellyfish on the right? What is that?
What is that? Oh, 520.
Is that an upside down jellyfish?
Where?
On
Right
that
here.
right there. You see with its little
Oh,
tentacles
yeah.
hanging up?
Turn the lasers off there, Annabelle, would you?
Roger.
could be.
Lasers off.
Cool. Awesome.
When you said it's a cleaning station?
Yeah, I'm not sure if that's what this
Yeah.
is or
Okay,
not.
full wide.
Got it.
Come on up on Atalanta.
But a cleaning station is oftentimes an area where there is a
Science,
small...
do we want to?
It's okay to keep going.
Okay.
We want to keep going up. We
Yeah.
got that footage. We don't need to sit and watch him.
I'm gonna
Let's just
write
keep going up the
the-
the sheer face.
I'm wondering what this ropey thing is.
Ropey thing?
Did anybody else see that?
What's that?
No.
Yeah, it was like it looked like long
Yeah.
bits that were.
I have to wait to see it.
I'm
They
not the
said
person
we
to
found
classify
our
it.
giraffe.
It's all neck.
It's an eel with all neck. So we found our
take it.
giraffe.
And we stopped.
And we stopped. Yeah.
It was the end of the transit.
See, yep, now we're done with the transit. Zoom is not a off-limit word.
I am hauling up.
You could even say we're recovering right now. We're going up.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah.
So
That's true.
we're just on our way up.
Someone's coming in here.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
I looked at that too. I was like,
Got the
every
bottom.
time it swings right over, I'm like, what are we doing over there?
What's that? Yeah, I think an hour would be enough to get us to the flat stop to see what the plateau looks like. Yeah, and we're starting to see some stuff. Yeah.
Waypoint 10
Let's
is
see an hour. I think an hour it gives us plenty of time to let something happen if it's amazing at the top. If not, yeah.
Pull up.
Did you see the eel?
Can we get a reset?
Yeah,
That was cool.
yeah. I was just doing that.
Oh, awesome. You're on it, Nav.
All right, well.
We had
and
a
we are
question.
coming up too, so we're getting close. We're in recovery. You know, it's going to be 2 minute up. Yeah. Okay.
Now, is that sunlight in Adelcam, or are we just irised out a little bit?
Oh,
Jeff, could you repeat that information?
we
for
are
me?
a little irised
We're
out, but
going to continue
let
on
me
for
check
about
on
an
the
hour.
lights. 1 second.
Okay, come off
Uh,
bottom at, I just could tell the bridge.
It's the plan right
Almost looks
now
like
is to
sunlight.
extend an
Oh.
hour, and
Oh,
when we
it
get
could be.
I'm gonna
That's
turn
really
the
up on
lowers
the top
off.
of the plateau,
Okay.
Do a little
if
experiment.
there's amazing things, we'll stay. If
Okay.
not, an hour.
Okay.
That's super cool.
So Adelcam is just running off sunlight right now and Herc's lights.
Oh, wow.
Wow, that's so cool.
I got a cool fish friend here. Winch. How are we doing with that? Some more urchin.
Sorry?
Just the winch looks kind of
Yeah, no, that's okay for now.
oh, what's that?
This is
Yeah, I want to know what that is too.
pretty intense.
Oh, there's another one. It's moving.
Oh, there's a fish, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it's a triggerfish.
Triggerfish.
Oh.
It's gone.
Yeah.
You know Kelsey's she's now a groupie for this shift.
Yeah.
It's
I sure am.
Too much fun.
It is too much fun. Do we have any capacity to zoom? I'm curious about what these white,
Like here?
yeah. We've
Look at
seen
that one.
several of them.
They look like a type of urchin almost.
Yeah, I think so too.
There's a
Keep an eye.
coral on
There,
the left.
the sheer face is a challenging place to stop.
Yeah, okay. Totally fine.
And we should be almost
To the top.
up that, yeah.
We're 132 meters, and I think the bench is around 100.
Okay.
So you should see a ledge.
Yeah. But I mean, you can even see the benthic community is really starting to fill in here. We've got the crustose coralline algae. We've got different,
We got coral there.
yeah, we've got
Yes.
some corals. We've got other types of algae, brown and green and red. Everything's kind of starting to fill in a little bit.
Raid.
Red.
We're getting to the point where, yes, light gets down here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm having
Light is
everyone
effective.
asking to turn off Herc lights. And I don't think
I
we're
don't
quite
think
at
we're
that
We're
point.
not. We're not
Not
there
I don't
yet.
like turning
Good
off my
idea.
Yeah.
headlights
Yeah, not a good idea.
when we're close to a wall.
Atalanta lights are off.
Yeah, that's
Oh.
it's amazing looking with you getting the fuller view.
Yeah.
That blue color is lovely.
Yeah, it's crazy. It was crazy.
Oh, Asako says moray, not
Moray.
eel.
Interesting.
So not
Whoa.
eel.
A moray eel?
There's like a
Was
swarm
that the
of critters
species
there.
of
Oh, yeah.
eel that
They're
we
really
saw?
small.
Moray eel, yeah.
Moray, yeah.
There are lots of little fish on the bottom.
Can
that
you explain a
see.
bit more when you were saying a cleaning station?
Yeah, I would love to. So It is an area where there are, sometimes it can be small reef fish, sometimes it's a specific type of shrimp, and larger fish will actually come and they will, it's generally in an area that's a little bit protected, and the smaller organism will come and clean out the debris and decomposing organic material from the larger organism's mouth. So they are able to get their teeth cleaned. It's kind of like a dentist's office. They're able to get their teeth cleaned, and then the smaller organisms are also getting their food source from it as well.
Nice.
It's like shark tails.
Yeah.
Yes, the car wash.
Yeah, I was going to say shark tail.
I didn't know there was some truth in that.
There was. It's really fun to see. Normally I see it as a behavior with, it's called a cleaner shrimp, but sometimes you'll see the behaviors with smaller reef fish as well.
Maybe some sea. There's some more of the white urchins, it looks like.
Mm-hmm. It's interesting because their spines are almost fuzzy, but you can see that radial symmetry and.
Yeah. What are the
Atalanta looks so pretty, Annabelle.
Yeah, they're a type of urchin, but
Can we get a zoom on Atalanta?
Yeah.
We're just not sure what
Checking
kind.
out all the fish at stern of Hercules.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of them.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that
following
line
us.
of Atalanta, the
Yeah.
drop off.
That's cool.
We're actually not on quite like a very, it's like more of a flat surface. So the sonar doesn't have a lot of activity.
Yeah.
Wow.
Urchin fields.
Wow, that's so cool.
Pretty.
The size of this face is really.
Impressive.
We were saying the same thing when we were mapping it last
Yeah.
night.
Yeah.
It's huge.
It's a steep drop off.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see. Wow.
And I'm just looking at the size of our ship in proportion to the plateau.
On high pack?
Yeah.
That's not scaled right.
Okay.
That would have been
That's
cool,
not
though.
that's not true scale.
Okay.
I could blow your mind.
Yeah.
Making this ship
You
huge.
can measure that on high pack. You could see, what is that little...
The key.
The key.
Yeah.
We make it so it's not so scary, but maybe
Great view
Not
video.
so scary.
It might
Yeah,
be pretty close.
right now the scale is showing it like, it's a 68 meter vessel right now.
Okay.
It's a little small.
Okay. Yeah. That's a little
But
small.
the contour is 50 meter contours.
Yeah.
So you can
Okay.
see like we just went up that very steep,
Yeah.
after waypoint 9 and it
Yeah.
was super steep, and now to 10 it's gotten a lot flatter.
Yeah.
Are we
The
starting to
current
get
is getting very, very strong now as we're coming up on top of this. I don't know if we're going to be able to go any further, actually.
Oh wow.
Which way is the current pushing us?
Against us.
Back
I think.
down slope.
Downslope. Oh, wow.
Could maybe go
Interesting.
on
So that's like full forward on that now, if you can see the ROV. It's
wow.
going ahead a little bit, but
Wow.
not very much.
These
Oh
fish
my.
don't care. They're just.
You can
out
kind
there.
of see particles flying by.
Yeah.
Wow, look, yeah. Just
Yeah, the fish
like
The
a-
just-
fish.
Well, and you can see the fish going back and forth.
Yeah,
in the
that's it.
current, too.
can't move.
That's all?
Can't move.
You'd have to pull us up.
Huh.
Could maybe go around the edge. But yeah, we can't go to waypoint 10. Too strong.
Wow.
Just stop the ship moving,
Yeah.
Isabella, would you?
Wow.
It's,
Oh, that was me. Did not realize it would go down that quickly.
Yeah, look at it push us along.
I can take a step back too if we need to get a hurricane camera again.
Yeah, I think you'll have to.
oof. Guess we're getting we've reached the thruster limit.
Bill.
Bill is back. Interloper.
Look at all the fish.
Hi. Yeah, we do have some fish.
We can't, yeah, we can't
We're
go upslope
stuck
anymore.
in.
Yeah. Snapper.
Oh, we are getting the
Snapper.
fish.
Yeah.
They like the slope.
Yeah.
This pitting is really interesting as well.
Right.
And we see that in Saipan too.
On top of the seamount?
Uh-huh. Kind of along our contours. I'm not quite sure what the phenomena is that created that.
Yeah, it's pushing.
Someone said the fish are chasing the lasers like a cat.
No, if there's current sample, it's going to be hard. Down, we saw, yeah.
I think they might be actually chasing the lasers.
Yep. Sounds good. Okay. You end the day. Yep.
All right, we got the marching orders.
We've got Ada back in, or Herc back in Ada cam. We'll come off bottom in about 35 minutes at 16:20.
So now we can look along the contours
Yeah.
and if we see, how stable are we if we needed to stop and zoom on stuff?
Once we get down there, we'll be fine.
Okay.
That's good.
I wonder what was at 3 o'clock. Cookies.
Cookies. I did go. We didn't get what we had yesterday. It is chocolate chip cookies.
It's hard
That's
to be,
okay.
hard to be mad about that.
Yeah. Just admire these lovely urchin fields.
Okay. While we're observing,
Open the iris a little? Yeah.
this is unnamed seamount.
Thank you.
Yes.
What would you name it?
A Tingen.
No, we can't use it. We're gonna.
Can't use that. That's already being
We gotta save that for something else.
Got a different kind of fish over there by the urchins.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Giraffe.
Giraffe seamount.
045.
I don't know. I know Bill was talking yesterday how he's never gotten to name one.
Oh. He should fill the paperwork out.
Nav, was that 045?
Maybe Kelsey's got some ideas.
Yes.
Roger. Are we backing down though?
We're going, yeah, we're slowly backing down
Okay.
back towards the contour shelf situation.
Just get in your seat. Barely going on 12 hours or something.
Love a contour shelf situation.
Contour shelf situation.
Contours.
Just like using all the buzzwords in one sentence.
Yeah.
Well, there are some really interesting sort of ripply patterns in the substrate when we were on that shelf.
Mm-hmm.
There is an absolutely phenomenal long period northeast swell right now on the surface. So I'm wondering if that has anything to do with the current too.
It's a little sea plume.
Yeah,
Ooh.
most likely. But if there were a beach nearby, it would be, yeah. I would not
Kelsey would
have
not
been
be
in
on the
here for
boat.
12 hours.
That's right. We did have someone give us a name for it earlier today,
Oh, what
and
was
they're
it?
back in the chat. Seabiscuit seamount.
The seabiscuit
We saw a lot of
seamount?
sea biscuits.
We did see a lot of sea biscuits. Sea cookies seamount. Seabiscuit seamount.
Cookies would be appropriate since that's all we talked about.
Cookies on the mind.
There's a lot of echinoderms, so that'd be cool.
Lowering.
I always like the names where they are, you get them in Oregon, like Cape Disappointment, or Cape Foul Weather.
What's that orange thing?
Maybe this is strong current seamount,
What
or
was it? Sea plume for reals?
sea plume, yeah, for reals, with a Z.
Reals.
Surfer's Delight.
Surfer's Delight, seamount. I like it.
I'm wondering what that thing is right
All
there.
right, Jeff, even down where we are here, we
Yeah,
can
you can
zoom
move
in
along
on
the-
anything,
No,
whatever you
there's
want.
just follow to the southeast, facing the wall, and stick at this. If this is a stable depth, we're just kind of contour searching around for any more interesting animals or.
There's something red up a little bit more topish. Yeah, what's this thing right here? It's really bumpy. I'm wondering if it's another sea cucumber.
Is that something we can zoom in on?
I don't know.
Can we try to get a zoom up here at the top?
Yep.
Thank you.
Second.
I'm just curious. We have time.
Go ahead and zoom in.
Got it.
Maybe. Let's see. Ah. That might be a sponge. It's like embedded in the rock, yeah.
It's got a cool pattern.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely some kind of encrusting.
Ew, is that something off? Oh, that's just the little fish. I thought it might be a shrimp.
Yeah, these are a lot of encrusting. You got some crustoids, some little white.
Okay, full wide.
Full wide, yeah. We can keep moving on the contour. Or yes, they are.
Keeping an eye on that wall, Nav.
You rock.
You rock, Nav.
Oh, stop it.
We are approaching shift change. Watch change here. Your what are they getting? Your 12 to 4 is coming to the end.
They're munching on something.
Although I think a few of us might stick around.
Yeah.
Since there's not too much time left on the dive. What kind of fish are these?
Howdy. I think they're still the amberjack.
The amberjacks?
Yeah.
Amberjack.
They have several common names. Almaca jack is also something that I saw when I was looking them up.
Whee!
That drop off is crazy.
I know, it's scary.
Yeah.
Just looking down into the abyss.
We're still at 126 meters, so we're fairly shallow.
It's stretching.
We have some fish in the column, in the water column there.
Hello.
12 to 4, it's been an honor.
12 to 4. We welcome all.
Even the ruffians like me.
Come join our silliness, our passion.
Creativity, flexibility.
Sure, creativity, dynamic.
Yeah.
Adaptability.
Adaptability.
Actually, take the XY off because the Doppler's not meeting it.
Thank you.
This is a hybrid shift now.
This is very hybrid.
Love it. Love to see it.
How about I
think
come out
Bill's
of there?
not coming.
All right, and just kind of get my bearings here.
Even though I told him, no, don't worry about it. I'll take care of it. He is a slacker.
I was told that we did see some of the Dayglow Wonderland.
Yeah, I'd say Dayglow Wonderland.
Yeah, we did get to
When
see some of
Atalanta turns the lights off and you can still see her.
All right, hold on one sec.
That's some Dayglow.
Too much
Yeah.
happening here.
No worries. So I said, let's see. Yeah, Herc's here, Atalanta's here. I think I was told to come back to kind of this contour and then just start sloping around.
Sloping around.
We are currently stopped, but I'll start the ship move again if you guys are ready.
Just give it a good old slope around. Similar to a walkabout.
We're going to be going kind of across along a contour, so sideways. But a heading, yeah.
We got our fish back.
That's a new one. Who are you?
Bridge nav. Hey, can we have a 30 meters ship move at bearing 060, please? Thank you.
So we're going to be heading down this way.
What are you doing, little laptop?
Where is my bubble cams?
How many samples do we have?
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 samples.
Oh, wow.
Right, I'm just going to kind
All
of
bio?
skirt off to...
Bio, let me fact check that.
Let's see, so right now I'm facing this way, so we're heading... I'm going to go around that way. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, we've got the coral samples from the morning, brittle star, one rock during Jacob's watch.
Surprise, surprise.
It was actually requested by Patty Pryor. Another bio box, the sea biscuit.
Atalanta's currently moving at 060.
Stunning looking coral.
To like...
Requested from
okay, slowly backing
Saho.
down then.
Yeah.
Squat lobster.
Okay, so Atalanta's going that way, but we want to go
sponge ones.
this way.
Like a ready
one?
I don't know.
Kind of swing around.
Reddish squat lobster
nice.
with a big black beady eyes, genus Amunda.
Nice.
And then we've got another yellow coral.
All right, I'll start coming down.
I like that she put
Okay,
her eat them.
Lateraling over, backing down.
Bamboo coral, bright red squat lobster.
Oh, okay.
Well, props to the new watch on. Coming here for the recovery crew.
Woo woo.
Woohoo.
You had a good ship.
I mean, I'm okay with doing recovery up here.
Yeah.
They're still technically interlopers for another 1 minute.
Oh, right. It's almost their watch. Interlopers. Great word.
I don't know. Who
The
started
interloper.
that?
Spider
I think
up there.
Bill.
Are
We
those
do-
little spiders
Bill is an interloper.
Where?
at the top there, or are those little...
I think those are urchins.
Oh,
from what we were
urchins?
Well,
seeing
can we give a
before.
zoom? Can we get a zoom in up
like
there?
here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
top.
an urchin.
We're actually able
Kind
to
of
zoom
go up
now.
a bit.
Mike.
Yeah.
Yes. How exciting.
Do we know what fish they are?
Yep, those are the amberjacks or almaco jacks.
Oh, the ones that were at the surface the other day.
Yes.
Cute.
They've been following us.
Yes, these very same fish.
Go in on there.
I was
They
talking
like
about
the
from earlier.
Well, they're trying to get their revenge.
I don't think the lasers are on anymore.
Revenge
They're
is
on.
a dish.
They're right under it.
served. Oh wow, yeah,
Oh,
that's
nice.
cool looking.
Oh, there they are.
Some kind of
Wow.
sideroid that
I
can
can
come down more as well.
Again,
It does look kind of spider-like.
Far away it
No.
did.
Too many legs.
Oh yeah, too many legs, but just the colors of it.
He does have that tarantula look.
Yeah.
I know our viewers were hoping for like a psychedelic Lisa Frank, but I always think when you zoom up on the CCA with the algae and all of the other organisms in there, I think it paints a really cool picture.
It
Pink-
does look like
pinks
the
and the greens.
1980s mall colors.
Oh,
Just gonna touch down a little. Here we go.
So is Herc at,
Kind of
is this a
settling
vertical
down
wall,
for
a
a sec.
completely vertical wall?
just about vertical.
Yeah.
See if I can go over a little bit for you.
Yeah, wow.
Oh, nice.
It's a pretty steep wall. We might want
Thank
to push
you.
your tray out some. Our head's right up against the wall.
Oh, that's great. There's some coral polyps as well.
Yep, that's phenomenal.
Yeah, just, there you go.
Bridge nav. Can
I'm
we
gonna put
hold
the
ship
porch
position
out a
here,
little,
please?
so we might
There you go.
get a little jolty for a sec.
Yes, hold position, please. Thanks.
And those coral polyps, depending on the amount,
Okay, sorry guys, I had to adjust a little.
That's
You're
okay. Depending on the
push this
availability of
back.
food,
It's not.
can stay to be
want me to come
about
out?
that size for like 3 years.
Yeah.
It takes them
I'm
a
just gonna
long
back
time
up.
to
Ooh,
grow
look at that guy.
when
Okay.
they're this deep.
Let me get back in position
And
here.
they're about 2, let's see if that's 10 millimeters. I'd say they were about 2 millimeters.
No,
Or
that's
2
10
I'm sorry,
yeah.
2 centimeters. I have been up
over.
since 3:30. Please forgive me.
Look over. Yeah, you haven't left this room.
No, I have not.
There you go.
That was perfect, Sarah. Thank you.
Yeah. Oh.
Gently, gently. Go for it.
Sarah, you're doing so good.
Oh, look at all the fish on the periphery in the one
Oh,
can.
that's a cool view.
There's a good amount of them up there.
Definitely struggling with this little wall. All right, let's see if I can fix this now. Just making sure.
Oh, it looks like there's a really good gorgonian to the right.
Oh yeah, let's go take a look at that if we can.
Gorg.
Gorgonian. Turn up my.
Gorgonian.
What are we looking for?
The coral on the
Oh,
right.
I see.
If you look at the fisheye camera, do you see?
Oh, the one over to the right there?
Oh.
Okay, let me jump up. All right, probably pull out for a minute.
I'm gonna go full wide.
Yeah.
Full wide. I'll jump over there.
May bring Atalanto a little closer.
Ooh.
Oh, it is a big one. Good spot.
Bridge nav. Can we move 10 meters at bearings
Cool.
240, please? Thank you.
Might have to, can't really go sideways because of the cliff here.
I imagine that would get in the way.
What's that?
I said I imagine that would get in the way.
Yeah. Interesting. Let's see if I can land her out here. Oop. Try and straighten it out. Definitely. Let's see if I can. Doesn't want.
It might be a
How
hard
about
angle.
here?
My favorite type of scuba dives are wall dives, so I feel like this is just an extension of that. Yeah.
Come on.
Jeff's like,
Come
I am unthrilled.
What? No.
Equal love, biology and geology.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I appreciate the biology.
Struggling.
I asked him if he was even going to join us today or if he's just going to
All right.
do it. Or sorry, Verena.
Of course, I was going to join.
That in front of us, is that a...
Sorry,
that
guys.
is the coral. Oh, okay.
Just struggling a bit here.
Just from this angle, it doesn't even look like anything at all.
Yeah,
No.
it's got the
Well, I think it's
sticking
we're
right
just
out at
stretched
us.
out.
Yeah.
Yeah, Atalanta's coming closer.
I can try and give you a
It's
little.
all right. Also trying to be
I gotta
real
get my eyes trained here.
gentle. Here. Oh, oh. Because I don't want it to bump right in. See if we can settle out here. Maybe.
This feels good.
Stay. Okay, let's go in.
Okay.
I wish I could get it sideways,
Oh,
but
cool.
Oh. Tiny, tiny polyps.
Good. Yeah, it's as close.
They look like little spiders.
they do.
They do look like little spiders.
Nope.
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 Or like little mites.
Yeah, I was going to think mites. Or like maybe aphids or something. I guess those are green. Can we zoom in a little more?
That's as close as I can go.
Oh, sad. Okay.
See if the camera's all the
Very
way.
cool.
Oop.
Oh.
Just seeing if I can. Nope, it's out all the way. Darn.
No, it looks good. Thank you. All right.
All right, can come out.
So it makes the colors,
There's a little crab
the
on
greens and the
on
purple.
the right next to it.
Beautiful.
Crab where?
Where's the crab?
Oh,
Can I zoom back in?
Crab
Oh,
what?
go for it.
Right down there.
Oh, here.
Look at the little pingers. Yeah.
Oh, there it
Oh,
is.
he's blended in. He's like,
Oh, it's
in the
in
hole.
a burrow.
Very neat.
Wow.
Very cute.
It's like, get off my lawn.
You're blocking my view.
It took me a long time to find this place.
And then up in the right-hand corner, we've got some more polyps as well. And
Are
in
they, so these red ones?
yeah. Do you think that they're polyps or do you think they're something else?
I was wondering if they was like the stony corals. They
That-
look,
Or is it
I
this
think
stuff
that it
too?
is a
Yeah.
stony
There
coral
too.
polyp.
Yeah.
Yeah.
so they're solitary though, aren't they? They don't.
Try and
Yeah.
adjust up. Oop,
It
there you
depends on what species, but they can be the individual polyps.
go. It's very colorful here.
Yeah.
You guys want to keep moving, or?
Yeah, let's keep moving.
Oh, we can keep moving.
And zoom out, please.
Got it.
Right, awesome.
Let's go a bearing of
New messages.
100.
Okay.
How does operating Herc
100.
up against a shear wall change
Breeze.
your
Start.
thinking? Like you have there's
Can we move
not the
30
seafloor
bearing
below you,
100,
but
please?
the wall in front.
Thank you.
Yeah, it does make it more tricky, I would think.
It's definitely a different mindset to
Kinda
be.
stay at a bit of an angle here.
You can have you can have vertical motion,
going along.
but it's not forward. Or I guess a little, or you can have jut outs where if you moved too close to the wall.
You're not using all those buzzwords that you taught the audience earlier today. You're a bitch.
Mm-hmm. You see on the chat, is that an octocoral?
I mean,
Maybe.
maybe.
We lost our coral person.
Yeah.
Sierra.
Sarah, I'm going to reset your DVL.
Well, no, we've
thank
got
you.
coral people.
Oh,
watching.
good. We got a
Probably
sucker
won't last.
Siphonic
It's on the side of the cliff, but
Siphonogorgia.
It's all right. We'll try.
worth a shot.
crazy. Whoa. Whoa,
Back up, back up.
what's happening? Don't know. Holy.
Yep.
Something just
What is
decided
Lots
to.
of tiny fish.
Oop.
Were you in Auto XY?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh,
That's,
It went
okay.
crazy.
why. Yeah.
It's spooled up, yeah.
Yeah. We have to come out of
Come out of it to reset.
for a reset. Otherwise it does that, yeah.
Okay. So I'll start backing down still. Is that where we're going?
Control, here's your loud and clear, Mike.
I'm still trying to stay in my little viewing box of the Atalanta. Tiny little fish. All in that little hole there.
Oh yeah.
So what was at the top when they did make it to the top?
This.
We did not make it all the way to the top
way.
because the current would not let Herc get any shallower.
Oh, is the current just like whisking it away?
Wisping down slope.
Oh, oh, so it's pushing it down.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Herc was in full throttle and not moving.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
But if you take a look at the back deck and look at that big long period swell, do you think that that surface current would be impacting the swell 100 and some odd meters?
Well, when you go inside, you could go down to the data lab and check out the ADCP, which is the current meter, and see what how it changes from the surface down to easily 100 meters should be
little
measurable.
Fish tucked in that
so
tiny
that'd be
little,
cool.
I want to
See if it's the
little
same
hole there.
direction.
Oh yeah.
What is that? Can zoom in.
Thought it was one of those trigger
See if I
fish from
can-
earlier.
See if I can hold it.
I believe that is a triggerfish. Good idea.
Oh.
Oh, it's inside the hole. Don't get stuck.
Tucks right in there.
Yeah.
The other guy's like, what are you doing?
Bridge nav.
Good spot.
Can we move 20 at 120, please?
No sharks.
Thank you.
One shark.
One shark.
I guess it's still a bit early in the
There's
day.
a white tip. Wait, or
Oceanic
white fin.
white tip.
Oceanic white tip.
You guys saw
It was
one?
when we were in the blue. We went up in the water column to transit faster, and just saw it in the distance.
Oh, okay.
I did not see it.
Yeah.
Oh, he's like chasing the
it's
little
in there.
fish.
Yeah.
It's like I almost got you.
Ooh, that's a nice little house it's got.
I know. I can fit.
Nope,
If I fit,
think I'm
I
getting
sit.
moving around a little bit.
Is that the current doing that?
A little bit of that, a little bit of tether restrictions, but we're moving. It's okay.
The big fish left us.
Yep. All right, we'll keep
Is the ship moving?
going down the line.
Yes. At 120.
120, okay.
All right, and then it was, what do we have, like 15 more minutes?
Yeah.
5 more minutes
5 more. Oh,
on bottom, yeah.
dive, dive, dive.
Just keep kind of backing down. I figure we'll switch in a minute.
You could probably just go lateral along the face of this and keep this depth.
Okay.
To the port, lateral to port.
All right.
So what do you decide? We have 15 minutes left in the dive?
5 minutes.
Oh, 5.
4.
Oh, no.
But who's counting?
It's like a different urchin, maybe?
Yeah, we were seeing a lot of those earlier.
Want me to?
There's another one up in the top left-hand corner if you want to keep that forward trajectory.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there as well, maybe. And there.
Yeah. And down below.
Do you want me to stop out?
Yeah, give it.
Yeah,
give
let's
us a
get
zoom.
a zoom.
We'll zoom, see if I can come up to this one. All right, can go in on that. Try and keep her steady.
Huh.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Very
Oh, it's
fine.
like a irregular urchin, maybe. Very, very different than the other sideroid one.
Turn this
I've
off.
never seen anything like that.
Looks like a porcupine.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's
It looks
what I
like
was
it'd be quite soft.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like it's pooping.
Deceptively so. Yeah.
Oh,
It
yeah.
may be.
Should we get it?
I'll see if I can
We've
get
seen
that
quite
down.
a few.
I'll get your tray out here.
Oh yeah, thank you. Oop, oop.
Something to sample?
Porch it out.
If it's not too
Yeah, see if we can settle it.
currenty, then yeah.
Maybe we don't
I'm
have
gonna
time.
dump some tether
Yeah.
a little bit because we're
Can we identify it?
we might have to come. I'll stop, Johan.
We are stopped.
Okay.
Plan on coming a little closer if we're going to sample.
I don't know
Just
if we're
gonna
gonna.
watch.
We're evaluating for sample.
Just watching
Yeah.
the top of Herc
There's-
though.
there's quite a few of them,
Kind of
too.
juts out
Yeah.
Well, that's okay.
up above
Yeah,
it.
I think
you're a
we're-
slacker.
Unfortunately.
Should we? We can hold off on sampling it.
Yeah.
But we got the footage, so if it can be
Yeah,
identified.
I mean,
Hey.
we're shallow enough that hopefully someone will be able to get it from
Yeah.
it.
Okay.
Someone asked if it's a sea tribble.
Oh,
Ooh, a
what?
sea tribble.
Dr.
Well,
Sacco?
there's a trouble with tribbles here.
Tribble?
Tribble. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
T-R-I-B-B-L-E.
I've never heard of that.
Well, it's a reference to a Star Trek episode.
I'd like to say that Dr. Asako said it was a great dive, fascinating view, and great technique of pilots to control ROV at the shallow depth and current. Great job.
Indeed.
ROV pilots and nav.
Thank you so much,
Yeah.
everybody. But they may not. They're probably on the back deck. But shout out to 12 to 4 shift.
Shout out to 12 to 4. Shout out 8 to 12.
Thank you.
All the shifts.
Oops.
Shout out 4 to 8.
4 to 8, please.
I've
Oh, I guess
I've been
4 to
here,
Yeah,
been here
4 to
for
8.
them all.
4 to 8 front row. 4 to 8 back row.
Wow,
I don't know
okay.
where Bill's been.
I've been here. Kelsey's been here the whole time.
Okay.